Hi there. Have you got shoulder pain, which is coming from your muscles in the shoulder? If you've ever heard of the rotator cuff muscles, and that shoulder pain is stopping you from lifting, playing your sports, playing tennis, playing pickleball, any sports like that, or even if it's just uncomfortable when you're sitting at your desk. Well, today we're going to dive in to some exercises that will help to fix this pain. I'm Gavin Noble from Gav Noble Physiotherapy, and you are watching the 10x Physio channel. Now, we would love it if you would subscribe to the channel and get the notifications so that you get all that information on a weekly basis of all the free information that we send out that helps to 10x your health. So let's look now at all the exercises. Okay, so our first stretch is our doorway standing stretch. And with this stretch, what we're aiming to do is stretch into the front part of the chest, into these pec muscles here. So sometimes when these pec muscles are a bit tight, they tend to pull the shoulders around here, but we need them to be opened up. So that what this does, it actually opens up the joint space in the shoulder. Now, we're going to start with our arms up in our hands up position here. So this is our hands up position. We're going to stand outside the door frame. Now, I am going to say to you, I do have a shoulder injury at the minute, so I can't stretch my left shoulder just as well, but we are going to still stretch the shoulders. Okay, so I'm going to come outside the door frame. We're coming up and into that hands up position. So remember, in this hands up position, our elbow here is at 90 degrees, okay? So our hands come then onto the door frame, okay? And then from there, we're stepping into the door frame. So I'm getting the stretch across the front of my chest here on both sides. So I'm gonna hold that for about 15 to 20 seconds. So we're feeling that stretch across the front of the chest. So you almost, again, just feel the shoulder blades pinch around the back. And then we're coming out of that, and we want to do that stretch 2 to 3 times a day. And again, as I said, you're going to hold that for around 20 seconds. Okay, so this next exercise is our prone arm lift. So as you can see, I'm lying on my front. My arm is hanging down over the side of the bed here. All we want to do from here is point the thumb up towards the ceiling as we lift the arm up and almost into a Y position. As that arm comes up, we feel the shoulder blade pinch down towards the back pocket. We come back down. So as we lift up again, we're aiming to take that shoulder blade down towards the back pocket, thumb up towards the ceiling, back down. Let's do one more. So we're up into that Y position, and then back down. And we want to do 2 sets of 8 of these particular exercises. So our next exercise is, it's called an external rotation exercise with some TheraBand. So I have some TheraBand here. All we're going to do is we're going to keep those elbows tucked into the side of our body there. Elbows there are bent 90 degrees, like so. Okay. One arm here is just holding the band to act as a little bit of resistance. Keeping this elbow tucked into the side of the body, we want to turn out. So we're pulling against a little bit of resistance, so we're turning that hand out. So what's happening there is my shoulder is turning out, and I'm starting to strengthen and activate the rotator cuff muscles in the shoulder, okay? Now with this exercise, we are doing 3 sets of 8. So we're just taking that arm out, and then just slowly letting that come back in. So pulling against that resistance. I will say, do try and avoid taking this arm out to the side like this as we start to work the muscles slightly differently. So we want to keep working into the rotator cuff muscles, so that's why that elbow stays tucked in tight to the body as we turn out. Okay, and that's our external rotation exercise in standing. So there you have it. There's our 3 top exercises that can help to ease shoulder pain. Now, when you do these exercises, they should not increase any pain. I'll always advise you to see your specialist therapists who will be able to help guide you. But these 3 exercises will definitely help. Now, I'm Gavin Noble from Gav Noble Physiotherapy. You've been watching the 10x Physio channel. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the notifications button, so make sure you get informed of all our videos as they come out on a weekly basis. Remember, the information is free and it's there to help you 10x your health. Thanks very much and see you next time.